a psycho. Lil' mama bad like Michael. Can't really trust nobody with all this jewelry on you. My roof look like a no-show. Got diamonds by the bolo.
What's up, y'all? Welcome to my channel. Thank you for tuning back into my channel. In this video, I'm back with another makeup tutorial. And so I'm going to be showing you how I got this smoky green eye look. So to start off, I'm priming my eyes with some concealer. I went in with the concealer from the Makeup Revolution concealer palette. And now I'm going into this Morphe 35M eyeshadow palette. And I'm using a mix of those two green colors that you saw. And I'll have the full details of everything down in the description box below. So I have the names of the shadows and the specific names of every single product that I use. So if you're curious, you can check the description box for that. Now I'm going in with this black shade, and that's going to go all over the lid. I'm always nervous to do smoky eyes because they can come out one of two ways, either good or bad. There's really no in between. So I'm surprised that I liked the way that this came out. But I'm just packing that black eyeshadow on, and I'm using a puffy blending brush to just blend that out, and then I'm going to go back in and add more black because I blended it away. And so it's all about adding and blending until I get it where I want it. And now I'm going in with the inner corner highlight, and then I'm going to take off this tape, and I'm also going to run that black eyeshadow on my lower lash line. And then under that black, I'm going to go in with a mixture of those two green colors that I used in my crease earlier and run that under that black eyeshadow. We're really going to smoke this out. This look will be perfect for Halloween as well. I don't know what costume you could wear it with, but it's a perfect Halloween makeup look. And I'm going in with these Broadway lashes. These are black. I couldn't see the name of it. It was blurry, but I'll have it in the description box like I said earlier. And I'm just going to use my lash glue and put that on. I've gotten a lot better at putting lashes on. I'm still not the best, but gotten a heck of a lot better. And I'm going to use these eyelash curlers, and I'm just going to blend my lashes with my real ones. And then I'm going to use the Maybelline mascara. I was really excited because, you know, I liked the eyeshadow look. And I'm going to use this e.l.f. Poreless face primer as my primer. I love this primer. I just hate that it has such a fragrant smell. And you're going to see I'm making a lot of faces during this tutorial because I was watching The Office, and yeah, I haven't seen it in a long time, so I forgot a lot of the stuff that happened. But shout out to you if you watched The Office. It's a great show. And I went in with my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Orange to color correct. And for foundation, I'm using the Stay Matte Mousse foundation from Rimmel, I believe. And it's going to cut me off because my camera cut off, but I ended up blending my foundation off of camera. And now I'm going in with the NYX Studio HD Concealer, and I'm going to use this to highlight. I know when I first bought this, I hated it, did not like it, so I decided to give it another chance to see how I feel about it, and I think I need to use it a few more times. But I went full beat, full glam with the concealer. So I'm just going to let that sit there and set in a little bit. And then to set my foundation, I'm using the Covergirl Queen Collection pressed powder in the color Medium Deep, I believe. I'm going to use that to set my foundation. And I don't even know if they still sell that, but I need to get another one. And I'm going in with the Black Radiance contour palette. I'm not sure what it's called, but I used the contour shade all the way to the left to contour. I've really been into contouring lately for whatever reason, so I decided to contour in this video. I'm going full glam in this video, like I said. So I'm just going to use that to sculpt out my face, and yeah, just to really help shape my face as much as possible. And then I'm going in with some powder. I'll have the name of it down in the description box. I guess I didn't show it, but I'm going to cut that. Contour just to make it sharp, and I'm going to let it bake underneath so it could be extra sharp. And then I'm going in with a wet beauty sponge, and I'm blending in that concealer. And we're just going to blend, blend, blend. And I believe my camera cut me off on this as well, but I finished it off camera, I believe, but, or maybe not. I don't know. It's late at night when I'm doing this voiceover, so forgive me. But I'm going back in with that contour shade a little bit, and I'm adding some more to it because I really want it to be sculpted and just dramatic. Yep, The Office. The Office is really like, it has some racist stuff in there and just stereotypical stuff. Like, it's a funny show, but I forgot how stereotypical it could be. But yeah, and I'm starting from season 1. So now I'm going to go through and I'm going to dust all that powder off, and then I'm going in with this drugstore setting spray for my first one, and once that dries, I'm going in with my Max Fix Plus, which I'm almost out of, and I'm using that to set my face. I do 2 layers of setting spray. I'm using my eyeshadow palette that I used in this tutorial to help fan out and dry my face, and I'm using my finger to just kind of dry up some of those droplets. Now I'm going to use this Makeup Revolution liquid highlighter. I love this. I haven't used it in a while, but I really love it. I want to go full dramatic. So yeah, but I know it looks a little crazy, but I'm going to blend it out and it's going to look good. So I'm going to use these NYX matte lip creams, and I'm going to use a mixture of 2. The darker one that I'm using now is called Abu Dhabi, I believe. Uh-oh. And this lighter one, I don't know what it's called, but check the description box. I'll have everything that you need down there in the description box. And yeah, they dry down matte, which I really love them. So yes, this is the finished look. Yes. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And I will see you in the next video. Bye, y'all.